Hey guys, Frank here and welcome in our studio in Emmeloord. Today we're going to take a look at how I shot this awesome shot of Nadine. Look at the intensity of that shot. So how did we do this one? Now, during workshops, I always love to challenge myself and play with the gear that we have, of course. Now, as a distributor and, of course, an ambassador as a Rogue, I love using their magnetic system on our Gigoto strobes. Now, in this case, I'm using something called the snoot. And this is part of the magnetic system. Now, the nice thing about this snoot is you can use it like this. Step 1, 2, 3 or 4. But there's more. Now, when you look at it, it's designed for the round strokes, like for example the GT250 or for example the Westcott or the Godox. Now, in this case, I'm actually using it on a rectangular strobe with one of our converters. Let me show you the converter very quickly. Now, this converter, and this by the way is the new one with nice cutouts for cooling. Now, this converter mounts this, as you can see here. And now I can use it on any rectangular strobe, or in other words, a speed light. Now, the nice thing about this is when you look at our snoot, you can see in the back that it's opaque. So when I use this on a rectangular strobe, it will actually give me a light pattern on the back that's a little bit rectangular. And if you turn the strobe around, it will become a little bit like a strip light. Now, in the box, you also find a diffusion panel. If you use that one, you will get a nice rounder effect. But for this one, I didn't include that diffusion panel because I wanted a really nice focus light on my model. Now, the harshness of the light is absolutely awesome for a snoot like that. But somehow I wanted more power in the shot. Now, you know that catch lights are really important in your image. But in this case, we decided to play a little bit with that concept by just lowering the head of Nadine just a little bit, getting that really nice dark look here. You can barely see the catch lights, but ooh, this shot is so intense. I absolutely love it. But there was something missing. We wanted a little bit more roughness in the shot. And the set before we used smoke and there still was a little bit of haze. So that's why in the back I'm using another strobe. Now you can also narrow the beam, and we did that also during the workshop by using a little bit of a grid or maybe flex on the side. But you can also use it open. It's just on your personal opinion. So this is the final shot. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and the final results. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and maybe in the next episode you will find your question answered in, well, Digital Classroom, the shorter tips, or maybe even in the live broadcast. Because every month we do one live broadcast of Digital Classroom with a live photo shoot or presentation. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please subscribe to our channel and smash that like button. But most of all, tell other people about our channel so we can grow. See you again next time. Bye.